Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This review is presented as the final assignment for the English for Business course. It serves as both a written and spoken reflection of our ability to analyze and communicate ideas professionally in English. First of all, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Rifki Khairumuzaki and my student identification number is 220713. I am a member of Group 4 and in this report, we aim to provide a comprehensive review of Quizzes, a rapidly growing educational technology platform. In today's digital learning landscape, the integration of interactive tools and data-driven solution has become essential. Quizzes respond to this need by offering engaging, gamified learning experiences that support both instructors and learners. This review will cover the purpose of the website, key features, advantage, disadvantage, target audience, website and UI design, real-time analytics and data-driven instruction, strategic gamification for learner engagement, and conclusion.
My name is Pujianti Ripani Putri with student ID 2207 and 012. I'm going to talk about purpose of the website and key feature. Point A. Purpose of the website. Quizzes is an educational technology platform that transform learning into a fun, interactive, and personalized experience by providing tools for real-time assessment, independent practice, and classroom engagement through gamified activities. It allows educators to monitor student progress, assess understanding, and tailor instruction using data. Beyond its core function, Quizzes is also committed to global accessibility and educational equity by supporting over 40 languages and promoting often the sharing of resources, helping bridge the digital divide, especially in underserved communities. Point B. Key feature. Quizzes provide a rich set of the features that cater to both educators and learners. 1. Custom quiz creation. Teacher can create a quiz using various question types, MCQ, checkbox, false, fill in the blanks, open-ended, and audio or video response. 2. Interactive lesson builder. User can develop presentation with slides, media, and question integrated into one session. 3. Quizzes AI. An AI-powered assistant that helps auto-generate quizzes based on uploaded document, web link, or topic. 4. Homework and live modes. Teacher can assign quizzes as homework or host live sessions, both synchronously or asynchronously. 5. Report and analytics. Instant grading and detailed performance report by question, student, or class. 6. Library of public content. Millions of quizzes and lessons are available for use and customization. 7. LMS integration. Support integration with Google Classroom, Microsoft Teams, Canvas, and other LMS platforms. 8. Accessibility tools. Text-to-speech, font scaling, color filters, and question timer for learners with special needs.
Hi, introduce my name Sri Nurahayu. Here, I will explain about advantages and disadvantages. First point, advantages. Quiz offer numerous advantages that make it a standout tool in education. First, highly engaging because gamification mechanics such as memes, background music, countdown timers, and power-up enhance learner engagement and improve student retention. 2. Data-driven insight. The real-time feedback and analytics allow teachers to make improved the decision about introduction. 3. Flexibility. Usable on smartphone, tablet, or PC, and accessible at any time. 4. Intuitive user experience. The interface offers a seamless and accessible user experience, or UX, designed to accommodate both novice and experienced users. 5. Community-based research. Teachers can share and find content created by author educators globally. 6. Include learning support. Provides differentiated options for learners with different abilities or background. And last, 7. Cost effective. Many core features are available for with optional upgrade. Next, I will discuss disadvantages. Despite these many benefits, quiz also has some limitation. First, premium limitation. Access to certain assessment format and advanced customization tool in restricted to premium tier subscriber. 2. Network reliability recruitment. Differ from full functionality, particularly during synchronization, depends heavily on stage internet connection. 3. Learning curve for the advanced tool. New users may need time to explore its full capability, especially Lesion and AI feature. Less cognitive overload risk. While gamified visual can increase motivation, excessive stimuli may lead to reduced focus and hinder deep learning for some users.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Agung Nugraha, registration number 2207024, Information System Study Program. Here I will explain about the target audience and user interface and web presentation. Target audience quizzes is designed to share a wide range of users, including teacher and student. Its primary user benefiting from curriculum online practice and assessment. Higher education instructs for promote a system assessment, active learning, and private classroom. Corporate trainers used in training program, employee onboarding, and college checks. Brilliant education and tutor, an effective tool to engage learners of all ages outside of formal institution. Parent and homeschooling group, supporting learning at home with customized content, website, and user interface design. Quizzes adopt an user-centric interface design that prioritizes accessibility and seamless navigation, reducing the need for extensive onboarding of technical training. The platform offers multi-device compatibility, supporting access via desktop, tablet, and mobile device, which enhances usability across diverse learning environments, means in intuitive layout and simplified user of contributes to its platform. Adoption rates among educators and learners, especially in remote and blended learning contexts, That is all, and thank you.
Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Yola Aulia Rahmi with NIM 2207003. Here I will explain two important points in the analysis of the Quizzes platform, namely real-time analytic and data-driven interaction and strategic gamification for linear engagement. These two aspects are features that support the digital learning process in a more interactive and database way. The first is real-time analytic and data-driven interaction. One of Quizzes' core value proposition is its built-in real-time analytic dashboard, which provide granular insight into student performance at the question, individual, and class level. 2. This functionality supports data-informed decision-making, enabling educators to make target instructional adjustments based on learners' comprehension, gaps, and assessment trends. 3. The availability of performance metric and automate reports aligned with best practices in learning management and continuous assessment. Next is the second strategic gamification for linear adjustment. 1. Quizzes integrates game-based learning mechanisms, include dynamic leaderboards, humorous memes, and reward-based power-up to enhance student motivation and participation. 2. These gamification elements are not merely aesthetic but service behavior adjustment drivers that support sustained interaction and positive learning behavior. 3. While effective in boosting retention and attention, this feature requires instructional design oversight to ensure they do not overshadow pedagogical objectives. Thank you.
In conclusion, Quizzes proves to be more than just a quiz platform. It is a dynamic educational ecosystem that enhances student motivation, support differentiated instruction, and empowers teachers with actionable data. I highly recommend that educators explore its built-in AI quiz generator to streamline lesson preparation. You should consider incorporating student-created quizzes to foster creativity and critical thinking. It will be beneficial to use quizzes in hybrid or flipped classroom models to maximize flexibility. My advice would be to take advantage of the platform's accessibility features to ensure inclusive learning for all students. When used thoughtfully, Quizzes can serve as a powerful and versatile tool that not only supports instructional goals, but also makes learning more enjoyable and impactful. Maybe we think enough here. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.